So before this video gets started, if you're an Uber driver or a Lyft driver and you want to make an extra $100 extra per month, there's a company called Play Octopus that will send you a free tablet to put in your car. You just have to use our link below. You put the tablet in your car, your passengers can play games, and you as a driver make an extra up to $100 per month. Sign up for Play Octopus with the link down below. It's free to sign up. They're pretty much nationwide now, so use the link, start making an extra $100 a month, and let's get started. Okay, the next one. Uber has been caught scamming drivers. Holy smokers, guys.
Wow, Uber is such a great company. Very ethical.
Dashcam shows footage Uber driver being awarded by passenger. We're not going to watch that one, but you want to read this?
Yeah, so Uber pays New Jersey $100 million after audit finds job classification error on thousands of its drivers.
Crazy. Crazy.
That's insane.
Are you going to read this really quick?
Yeah, so...
I have a delivery I need to grab really quick. Can you just...
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, so Uber's paid New Jersey $100 million after an audit showed the popular car service misclassified hundreds of thousands of drivers in New Jersey, the state's Department of Labor and Workforce Development said. Instead of declaring drivers employees, the company considered them independent contractors and therefore didn't provide benefits such as unemployment, temporary disability, and family leave insurance, the Labor Department said. Uber also failed to make required contributions toward unemployment, temporary disability, and workforce development, according to the agency. This payment is the largest ever received by the state and covers nearly 300,000 drivers. That's a lot of drivers, guys. So, we will not bow to the whims of corporations' latest business models that are based on eroding long-standing protections, Labor Commissioner Robert Asaro Angelo said in a statement. Our policies protect and empower workers while strengthening businesses, and the Murphy administration has given us the tools to protect our workforce and keep all employers accountable. So what do you guys think about this? Also, comment down below if you're watching from New Jersey. Because then you could be one of these drivers in New Jersey that, gets some money.
Yeah. Well, basically, it's the same thing. Like, New Jersey said that drivers should have been employees. So, like, Uber only paid drivers as independent contractors.
Yeah.
But they should have been paying them as employees. Like, everybody agrees they should make drivers employees. But Uber's just like, nah, we'll just pay the fine, $100 million, no big deal for us. Like, I don't know.
Yeah, so what do you guys think in the comments? Like, if you're a driver, would you rather, do you like the whole, independent contractor thing? Or would you rather be an employee?
Yeah,